Hi there, crafty ones. This is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and today I have a share. I was from Craspire, and they asked if I would do a review of some products, so I'm going to be showing that. And also, I want to do a shout out, two shout outs. One is for my friend Marcy with Creators Call Shop. I'll put a link in the description. She's having a 50% off everything in her Etsy store, Creative Call Shop. And I bought a few things. It's a great deal. She wants to clear out her store or some things. She's doing a reboot of her priorities and her YouTube channel, and she's going to focus more on her YouTube channel. So check that out. It's great deals. I've bought a journal from her before, and she does quality work. I know she has music papers. She might still have ephemera. She has journals, music pages, lots of stuff. So if it's still in her shop, just check that out. And I'll put the link in the description. Also, I have a shout out from my friend Linda with LouLou Birds. She bought a farmhouse journal kit from me, and she made a beautiful journal out of it. I just wanted you to check it out, LouLou Bird's channel. I'll put a link to that in the description. Please check it out. She's just kind of getting back onto YouTube, and so I'm sure she could use some support. Check it out. It looks really beautiful. And also, I'm going to be doing another journal kit like that. The next one will be Shabby Chic, so I'll work on that next week and have that for you also. But now on to this product share with Craspire. I got a few things that I'm excited to share with you. I got this big, little kit, a big hit, and here's the item number. DIY-CP0003-36. I'll put the link in the description, but you get all these multicolor wax, like little pellets. I'm excited to try these metallic color pens. And here's another one. Silver and the gold. I got some of these little tea lights. I've got a little handle, put your wax in to melt it. Nice quality. I like that wood handle. That way you can use this here, which is the holder. So this is a complete kit. And I don't have one of these. I think this will be awesome. So what you do, oh, and also, so this is the whole kit right here. Isn't that great? So check that out. And then I've gotten two stamps for wax seals, the flower and the bee. And they're very nice quality with a wood handle. And I'll put the links in the description for the bee and the flower. And I think we'll do a demonstration here too. Let's see, let me grab something here. I'll just grab this envelope. So what we'll need to do is just get out some of these little tea lights. And then we'll get our little stand. Put that in the middle. Get that burning. And then we put the little cover to the stand on it. Not pretty. It's got a wood base and then gold top. And then we're gonna pick out what we might want. Which colors? Look at them all. They're pretty. Maybe I'll do this kind of a creamy color and this gold maybe. And I'll put that in here. I don't know if it takes 2 or 3. And what's nice, you can just set that on there instead of holding it. And then once the wax seal dries, you can just use these markers to color over it. And then so I got a really pretty silvery color, metallic color pen, water-based, for opaque writing and decorating even on dark and colored paper. Well, that's good to know. Oops. And I got this gold metallic color pen. Very pretty. So they're very shimmery. Got a nice opaque finish. And let's see what we got going here. Yeah, it's melting nicely. I love that stand. That's great. So I think what I'll do, I think I'm going to use the B seal stamp. And if I don't know if it needs another one. We'll try 2. And if need be, I'll add another one. I guess you just experiment first to see how many pellets you need. Little wax pellets. I think that's going to be kind of a pretty color. Yeah, we'll do the bee first. And then we'll do the flower. And what color should we do the flower? Well, it's kind of a daisy. I'll do yellow. I'll do white. And then maybe I could color the center with gold. So we'll try that. Yeah. What's that? Try those next. Okay, I think this is ready to go. Turn it around this way. And then we'll see if 2 is enough. Might need 3. Yeah, I'm thinking we're probably going to need 3 for the next. And there'll be a little of that left over, which I don't mind. We'll just put that there. Maybe we'll add another. Let's see. Let's get another white one. We'll add a white one there. So we'll try it with 3. So it's just a matter of, trying it out. Oh, I love that stand. Really excited about that. We'll just give this a minute. And then you probably... Yeah, I needed more, but you can kind of see the bee. Ooh, that gives a really nice imprint. Oops. Why is it not focusing? I think I need... There. Isn't that pretty? So with 3, I think that is going to be gorgeous. So we're going to try 3 pellets. So I'll try that again with the gold, I think. We'll do it with the gold. Yes, for the next one, I'm going to use these colors. And we're going to try this one again with the beautiful bee and flower stamp. So pretty. Nice wood handle. It's got a nice good grip to it. Let's try 3. Could be possible we need 4, but let's try 3. And this will have a little swirl of gold in it, which I think is cool. So lay that down. Pour that out. Throw those in so they can start melting. I could have centered that better, but let's see what we're gonna get. Fun! I'll have to add some of these to my these seals to my shabby chic kit. I think that'll be pretty. I'll throw in some made wax seals. Just give it a whirl. I'm going to pause in a minute while that melts. Okay, I think that's melted, and I like the different colors. It's kind of gold and, you know, silver, and if you didn't want it that way, you could stir it, or gold and white. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, look at that pretty bee. Can you see it? Very nice detail. Isn't that beautiful? I love that bee. And then we could put gold over that. Well, let's do this one here. And then let's use the flower stamp. I think I have a better imprint, or better, I got that in the middle better. Okay, and I'm probably just going to put some more in while I'm waiting. Okay, now this one I could probably try coloring. I think it's dry. Guess I should have used the gold, huh? I'm standing up, so I'm not doing a very good job here. Let's take that off. I'm gonna have to do that a little better. Okay, there is the flowers. Very pretty. I think I need 4. I think that's the number I'm coming up with, 4. Pretty imprint. And what I could do on that is add could do the silver. Maybe in the middle of the flower. That's pretty. And then I could, you know, I could do silver around here, but I need to there, and I think with 4, that's really pretty. And this one, let's see, maybe I can work on it up here a little better. I didn't have enough control down there. The window open and got a nice breeze coming in. It's been quite warm here, as I think it has across the U.S. My son lives in, oldest son that lives in Oregon, Portland area. they've had a 100 and something degree temperature. They're not used to that. Luckily, they have a really good air conditioner. Okay, with 4, I think that's really cool. That's pretty. I used the silver, but I think, and the gold too, that would be pretty. And that one. Okay, now how many did I add to this now? Now I don't remember. Did I do 4? Oh boy. I'm just going to add another one because now I don't remember. So we're going to add 4 here, and I'll return after it's melted. Okay, I think I've got that melted, and look at the pretty color. Really pretty. Let's do this one here. Yeah, that's going to be pretty. So I think I'm going to say about 4 or 5. And let's do this flower. It just depends what look you want to give it. If you want 4, if you want 5 little pellets, but boy, they sure are pretty. Just give it a second and we'll take it off and see what we got. So yeah, you get all these different colors so you can experiment with them. And you get the 2 pens, you get this little stand, you get a couple of these tea lights, so you get a complete set to play around with. And then you get this nice little holder for your wax seal. Put your, let's see. Okay. It's the flower. Oh, look how pretty. Ready? And then we can add color to it. I could do a little gold maybe. I have to see it. Oh, and I did add a little gold and silver to these. Is this the gold? I think so. So you can just define it a little bit more. Probably want to wait till it dries, of course, better than I am. This is fun. Thank you. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct. Craspire, C-R-A-S-P-I-R-E. I'm going to let it dry more and go over it. That is very pretty. See the little flowers? Pretty in a journal. So, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to playing with these more. Check out their website, and I'll put the links below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.